Hello students, what's up? So it's been a long time that I haven't seen you, and at the same time I haven't given you learning activity sheets. That is why I'm making this short video clip because I wanted to leave you an activity in behalf of my presence because on Wednesday, as what I've said, I'll be leaving again. I'll be going to Jensen and returning on Sunday. So hopefully I will meet you on Monday, that's April 15, and that time we will check all the activities that I have left. Okay? So do not forget also to share this video clip to your classmates, especially with those who don't have the internet connection or phones. Okay? Always remember, sharing is caring. Okay? So this time I wanted you to get your book and open it on page 361. Okay? I hope you have opened it already. And then, I wanted to introduce to you some of the commonly used units for volume and pressure. Why is there a need to introduce? Because not all countries are using the same units. For example, in the Philippines, we are using liter, milliliter. In other countries, they are using ounce, quart, gallon. But anyway, all of those are the same. They are units of volume. Okay? So, let's move on. So, we have different units presented in SI, that's System International. We do also have the metric and the English. Okay? So, for volume, for SI, they are using cubic meter, cubic decimeter, cubic centimeter. For metric, they're using liter, milliliter. Then for English, we have quart and gallon. For pressure, they're using Pascal. For SI. For metric, they're using atmosphere. Kaya yung mga symbols na yan, nakikita nyo sometimes, no? Millimeters of mercury. Centimeters of mercury. While for English, they're using torr, and PSI stands for pound per squared inch. Okay? Now, I want you to turn the page to the next page. That's 362. Okay? Yung nasa ibabaw. I wanted to teach you regards the different equivalents. And by, I wanted you to perform also conversion of units. Okay? Why is there a need to convert or determine the equivalents? Para dili mo, to master, of course, the measurements. Dili matikalan ba? For example, you go to the market and somebody are selling soft drinks. So if ever that person will tell you, the seller will tell you, this is plenty because this is 1,000 milliliter. Oh, you know already that 1,000 milliliter is equivalent to 1 liter. Okay? So, ayaw patunto. Okay? So, or if ever you will go to other countries and they are using different units, so at least you can make a comparison na, ganito lang pala siya kadami. Okay? So, for volume, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter, while 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. And 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liters. Okay? For pressure, we have 1 atmosphere is equivalent to 760 millimeters of mercury is equals to 76 centimeters of mercury is equals to 760 torr is equal to 1,325 Pascal or equivalent also to 14.7 pound per squared inch. For temperature, tayo dito sa Pilipinas, we are using Celsius. On the other countries, they're using Fahrenheit. Okay? But then, kahit ganun, huwag malito. 0 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 273.15 Kelvin. Or 0.0 0.0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So this time, let's move on with the conversion of units. Okay? Kindly listen because by and by, you are going to solve also. So for conversion of units, for example, I've given you volume. And I wanted you to convert 1.5 liters into milliliters. You have to identify first the conversion of units, okay, the equivalence. Wherein, as we all know, that 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 ml. Okay? So, in the solution, first to write is the given, which is the 1.5 liters. And then, we will use the multiple sign to allow cancellation by and by. And then, on the other hand, you use 1,000 ml for numerator and write 1 liter for denominator. Of course, again, to allow cancellation of units. So, that becomes 1.5 liters times 1,000 divided by 1 will give you 1,500 milliliters. So, we need to cancel for you to identify afterwards what's the correct or proper unit to be used. Okay. Another, for the pressure, I wanted you to convert from 0.95 atmosphere to torr. So, just like what is written on your book, page 362, it states there that 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 torr. Okay? And so, I use it in here. Okay. For the solution, all you have to do is to write first what is given. So, that is 0.95 atmosphere. Then, we will use again the multiple sign to allow cancellation by and by. Yung iba kasi, they're using equal sign. That is very wrong. Okay? On the numerator side, you write the 760 torr. And on the numerator, you write 1 atmosphere. Of course, you can allow cancellation now. Okay? So, simple lang. Just simply by using your calculators, all you have to do is 2.0.95 times 760 divided by 1. It will give you 722 torr. Okay? While on temperature, alam naman natin, sinabi dito kanina, 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. So, what are we going to do? Simply lang. Okay? You write what is given. I wanted you to convert 30 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Ito na yon. Sabi kanina, 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. So, what will you do then? Okay, simple lang. 30 degrees Celsius, you add 273.15 Kelvin, which will give you 303.15 Kelvin. Okay? No cancellation na. Not necessary at all. Okay, then afterwards, class, I wanted you to answer this. Okay, the activity 1A sheet for pressure, volume, and temperature. I have given there 10 different units, and I want you to identify to which these units belong. Okay? Kay pressure ba siya, kay volume ba siya, or kay temperature. Okay? And lastly, dito tayo sa activity 1B, conversion of units. Simple lang, you are going to convert and you must show your complete solution. That will be 5 points each. So, for number 1, nakalagay na dyan, 2 cubic meters is equal to blank liters. About 32 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, I should say. So, what is the value in Kelvin? Okay? Then, we have the 1.01 atmosphere into pound per squared inch. So, that would be all for the equivalence and conversion. I'll be making another video clip for Boyle's Law for you to do also the problem set and identify some of its applications. Okay? So, good luck. And God bless everyone.